Hey, tech lovers! Welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best hi-fi music player you need to hear about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the HiFi R4. Let's get started. Product feature: powered by a reliable Snapdragon 665 SoC, this player delivers smooth, lag-free performance, making it a joy to navigate your favorite tracks and apps effortlessly. With 3 GB of RAM, you get the multitasking power needed for seamless streaming and system stability, ensuring your music never misses a beat during your day. The open Android 12 system gives you a familiar and intuitive interface, letting you download all your favorite streaming apps just like on your smartphone. Experience total freedom with bi-directional Bluetooth, allowing you to both send audio to headphones and receive high-quality streams from other devices. The stunning 4.7-inch high-res display brings your album art to life with crisp visuals and vivid colors, making every interaction feel premium and clear. At its heart lies a sophisticated quad-chip HiFi DAC array, meticulously designed to deliver balanced, high-fidelity sound that captures every tiny musical detail. It perfectly blends high-end audio components with a modern smart ecosystem, serving as both a powerful portable player and a versatile multimedia platform. Pros: you'll absolutely love how this player brings your music to life. The quad DAC setup provides an immersive warmth that makes you feel like you're in the studio. Having an open Android system means you aren't locked into one app, giving you the freedom to listen exactly how you want. It feels sturdy yet elegant in your hand, making every listening session feel like a special occasion. Cons: while the 4.7-inch screen is beautiful and sharp, it might feel a bit compact for those used to giant modern smartphones. Also, while 3 GB of RAM is perfect for high-fidelity music apps, very heavy multitaskers might need to clear background apps occasionally. Final thoughts: choosing a music player is about more than just specs. It's about how the music makes you feel. The HiFi R4 honors your favorite artists by reproducing their work with such incredible honesty and heart. It's a companion that turns a simple commute into a private concert. If you truly value your connection to sound, this device is a beautiful, reliable way to elevate your daily life. Your ears deserve the very best quality every single day. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Dude's Tech and like this video.